ಮಣಿಪಾಲ್ ಮೀಡಿಯಾ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಲಿಮಿಟೆಡ್ ಕಾರ್ಯನಿರ್ವಾಹಕ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರಾದ ಟಿ ಸತೀಶ್ ಯು ಪೈ ಅವರು ಮುದ್ರಣ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರಕ್ಕೆ ಸಲ್ಲಿಸಿರುವ ವಿಶಿಷ್ಟ ಕೊಡುಗೆಗಳನ್ನು ಗೌರವಿಸಿ ಮಾರ್ಚ್ 28ರ ಶನಿವಾರ ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಮಂಗಳೂರಿನ ಶ್ರೀನಿವಾಸ ವಿಶ್ವವಿದ್ಯಾನಿಲಯವು ಪ್ರತಿಷ್ಠಿತ ಗೌರವ ಡಾಕ್ಟರೇಟ್ ನೀಡಿ ಗೌರವಿಸಿದೆ. ಮಾರ್ಚ್ 28ರಂದು ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ವಿಶ್ವವಿದ್ಯಾನಿಲಯದ ಮುಕ್ಕ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೆದ ಘಟಿಕೋತ್ಸವ ಸಮಾರಂಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಟಿ ಸತೀಶ್ ಪೈ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಡಿ.ಲಿಟ್ ಪದವಿ ಪ್ರದಾನ ಮಾಡಲಾಯಿತು. ಮಂಗಳೂರು ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ನ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥಾಪಕ ನಿರ್ದೇಶಕ ಹಾಗೂ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಕಾರ್ಯನಿರ್ವಹಣಾ ಅಧಿಕಾರಿ ರಾಘವೇಂದ್ರ ಶ್ರೀನಿವಾಸ ಭಟ್ ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿ ಪ್ರದಾನ ಮಾಡಿದರು. ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ತರಂಗ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥಾಪಕ ಸಂಪಾದಕಿ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಸಂಧ್ಯಾ ಎಸ್ ಪೈ, ವಿಶ್ವವಿದ್ಯಾನಿಲಯದ ಮೌಲ್ಯಮಾಪನ ಕುಲಸಚಿವ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಶ್ರೀನಿವಾಸ ಮಯ್ಯ ಸೇರಿದಂತೆ ಇತರ ಗಣ್ಯರು ಹಾಜರಿದ್ದರು. ದೇಶ ವಿದೇಶಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಅನೇಕ ಶಾಖೆಗಳನ್ನು ಮಣಿಪಾಲದ ಮುದ್ರಣ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ಹೊಂದಿದೆ. ಪೈ ಅವರು ಪ್ರಸ್ತುತ ಮಣಿಪಾಲ್ ಅಕಾಡೆಮಿ ಆಫ್ ಜನರಲ್ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ನ ಉಪಾಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರು, ಎಂಜಿಎಂ ಕಾಲೇಜು ಟ್ರಸ್ಟ್ನ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
And institutions co-founded by his father C.T. Upendra Anand Pai and his uncle Dr. T. Madhav Anand Pai. He dedicated his life to transforming a legacy enterprises into a nationally accomplished powerhouse of printing excellence. Guided by the mentorship of Sri Mohandas Pai, Sri Satish Pai laid the foundation for the remarkable growth of Manipal Press, which today stands among the largest and most comprehensive printing solution providers in India. With a turnover exceeding rupees 2,500 million and a workforce of over 2,000 professionals.
Thank you, Freedom University, for giving me this Doctor of Letters degree as an honor. I accept it with gratitude and humility. For me, letters have always been very real. Letters are the daily work of printing. Letters are the power of language. Letters are the way ideas travel from one mind to another. In my work with Udayamani and print media in Karnataka, our goal was never only to print pages. Our goal was to serve the people, to give useful information, to support good value, to produce impact readers about the caste, creed and religion. A newspaper is the daily promise. Every edition says quietly, you can trust this, and the trust is hard to build and easy to lose. So we try to follow 3 simple questions before we send pages to print. Is it good? Is it fair? Is it useful? If we could keep to these, the paper could help society instead of harming it. Over time, I learned one clear lesson. Business is not only is about the profit, business is also about the responsibility. A business touches society every day.
Through the walls of this university, you have experienced your first laboratory called life. Every study session taught you discipline, art of collaboration, patience, managing failures, celebrating success, resilience, time management, and whatnot. These skills, though no syllabus explicitly teaches you, but every profession demands. I feel you will learn, perhaps most importantly, how to learn, and for me, this is the most important qualification you should carry out these grades. It is said, education is not the learning of facts, but the training of the mind to think.